Hello there, this is Sneha Shrivastava from MBA Semester 1. So I would like to thank to Pooja ma'am for giving me this opportunity to present PDCA in front of you all. So PDCA stands for Plan, Do, Check and Act. This is developed by Dr. W. Edward Devin. That is the reason this is called the Devin theory and the Devin theory and the Devin will, and he explained it that it is a continuous process for improving the quality. Now moving forward with the plan. So in plan we will identify the problems. What are the problems? Then according to that we will develop the measures and develop the plans. So there are some of the action we can take, like analyze the current process, then identify the problems and their causes, set the objective and develop an action plan for the improvement. And here I have quoted the example, which is a factory. Notice that their defective rate is increased, which occur in the production process. For that they are developing the plans. Now we will deal with the do. In do we will implement the plan on a small scale for the test or for the pilot study. In this we will act carry out the plan change, then train employee if needed and collect the data for the analysis. In this I have quoted example is implement the new process in one product line only, and then move forward with the check. In check we will evaluate the result of what we have do in the do process. So for that we can take some actions. 3 of the actions I have written, that compare the collected data to expected result, identify what worked and what didn't, and determine whether the change led to improvement. Here example is compare the defected, what is defected before and then after, and then we will analyze, and according to that we will improve the quality. And with this, the act, in the act process we will if the changed which we have prior done, if work out, then we will and match the standardized process, and then we will if not, then it required again plan, again do and check process. And if it is done, then we can take some of the actions like implement the successful change on the larger scale, update the procedures and documents, and being the next cycle to find the current for further improvement. For that example is applying the new process to all the production lines and train all the staffs. And with this, we can after analyzing all the processes, we can say that it is a continuous process. It is a never end process. It starts with the plan, and then it goes with do, check and then act. And again the problem arises in the organization. For that there is a need for the plans, then do, and then act, check and then act process. And this is the never ending process, and it is the foundation for the total quality management. That's all. Thank you.